Something amazing now, fulfilling her dreams, reading a book, baby, singing a song. Euros betting time, so you welcome, place the next bets. Greens by normal flapper. Came back to next to 5K. Oh my, CJ, that is so fired. Oh, so lucky. Yeah, quite often I have heard like that sometimes you're not doing what you usually would have done, and but like because of something happening, you know, crazy time at 5x on top slot, and then you're just catching it like because of the random luck for you, you know. Big confidence, 5,000x, amazing. Oh my, crazy time? No way, is it happening? Crazy time at a 5x? Wow, what is that? What did it? Ladies and gentlemen, follow me. Let's go to the victory. Make your decisions to go for the green flapper, blue flapper, yellow flapper. I see that most of you have headed for the blue flapper and the max multiplier 500x. We might catch some doubles. Let's go! Ah. 125x on green, 125x on yellow, double on blue. Most of us did go for the blue, so let's hope for something amazing to happen there. Now max multiplier 1000x on blue. Let's go! Let's go!
Can. Let's continue. Mustache, mate. Mustache is a problem, not right. So, mellow, that's how it is, yeah. I agree with that. So, here we are. Open the door. Cash and 7x. We need some pew 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 right now. Seriously, 7x cash and looking fabulous there. If there is a chance. There is. Oh, let's go! 7x cash and we have. Let's. Mamma mia, por favor, cash canto. Hey guys, you see? Alright, what do we have? 100x we have there somewhere, but ta-da! Look at this wall, ladies and gentlemen. 700x, 175, and what else? 350. Wow, juicer, magooser, multipliers there. Will you find that 700x? Hopefully. So, where to go for? I have no idea, guys. Pew, pew, pew. Now it's like pew, pew, pew. That's it. Believe your gut feeling. Ask your girlfriend and boyfriend. Ask your girlfriend and wife. Whatever. Both. Everyone who is next to you. Maybe they know better. I will pick as well. I like to play this game as well. I will go with this. This cupcake is mine. Remember. Okay, guys. 775. Where is 700 is there on the bottom? 42 of you with a 700x. Wow. I'm
5,000 euros. Got a betting time to you. Welcome, place the next bet. Savvy, well, I cannot bring back Ruta because, well, she's on her own. She's doing something amazing now. Fulfilling her dreams. Reading a book, baby. Singing a song. Oh my, crazy time at a 50x on top slot. If this would happen right now, this would make all of our days, I think. Please, Will, crazy time. Bring us crazy time. Crazy time. Crazy time? No way! Stay there! Stay there! Let's go! Crazy time in a 50X! No way! Oh my! Oh my! What is that? Oh! Let's go! Unbelievable! Make your decisions, green, blue, or yellow. Crazy time in a 50X. This lowest multiplier will be 500X, the lowest one. Imagine. Most of you are going for the blue. Biggest multiplier possible, 10,000X. Let's go!
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.
Somebody like me. Wondering how to make a play all night. Looking your way from out of sight. Thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right. Ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light. So damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked. So out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you, a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. Somebody like me. Somebody like me. Took you out and showed you the city. How'd you let somebody so pretty's what they said to me? Yeah, that's what they said to me. Well, they told me I didn't stand a chance, yeah. Face value, had you at a glance, yeah. But nobody ever asked if you could dance, yeah. Well, only one who did that was somebody like me. When you asked my name, I panicked. So out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you, a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me.